What year Corvette do you have?
68.
Oh, 68.
Not much you can do to protect it.
All right. I've been in the market sometime now for a 72. And I think I've just about found one up in Taylorsville, North Carolina.
Why do you want a 72?
Well, just the chrome front and rear bumper, and you know, I just like the styling on it. The prices aren't that bad for the 350. You know, when you start looking at the 427, it's kind of jumps way up there. But for the most part, you know, they're running right around 20, 21, 22. Pretty decent shape. I don't know that the 68 changed. Yeah, they did, didn't it? 68 was the last year.
First year.
First year. Oh, so it ran all the way to 72.
82.
Huh?
68 to 82 is a C3. They went to.
But I mean when they changed the like they lost the chrome bumper.
Right. Yeah, first it lost it in the front, then it lost it in the rear.
Alcohol. It's just 7% alcohol, and that just kind of strips the wax if there is any on it, and just gives it a good clean. And then the slip solution, which is what allows the film to slip, is just simply a mixture of shampoo and water. Okay, let's take a look at these and figure out which one. Yep, this is it. Turning out to be a great day.
Yep, better this weekend.
I know it.
Next week.
And I can't even believe it. You know, we were in the 30s and now we're going to be in the 70s.
Yep, that's okay.
Only in Columbia.
We'll still have cold days, but
right at the start, wonder, oh, we really wonder, oh, baby,
Yeah, this one's got some shape to it, so ordinarily some of my headlights take about 5 minutes.
sure.
I expect this one to take me just a hair bit longer. It's just a unique design to it.
And then how do you get it to put heat to
Well,
it?
no, I don't. I use the tack. I call it a tack solution, which is the water and alcohol, and that what that does is it promotes the adhesive so that it tacks and it sticks. So now that it's sticking right here on this corner, I'm hoping that it doesn't move on me, and then I can apply a slight stretch to pull all of this out, as you'll see here in just a second. You don't want to spray the whole thing down though with the water and alcohol, because it'll leave some adhesive marks under your film. So you want it to look just as crystal clear. So that's what the slip solution's for. So we'll see how this works out for us here.
Yeah, I figured you wouldn't try and wrap the top, you just do the flat face.
Yep. No, we get every bit of it, because if there's going to be some oxidation, you know where it's going to occur first? It's going to occur along this ridge first, before anywhere else. Now I might actually go with this one around behind it and put a little bit of heat. But these patterns aren't really designed to melt in place.
somebody who couldn't make me be true. Whoa, couldn't make me be blue. And even be glad just to be sad.
You must have done it once or twice.
Yeah, headlights is getting pretty easy at this point, but I haven't, you know, some people are like, well, the more you do you get better at it? Well, it's not that so much that as you just kind of figure out which way to pull it, which way to stretch it.
Trying to be boss, but they wouldn't do. For nobody else gave me a thrill. With all your faults, I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you. It had to be you. With all your faults, I love you still now. It had to be you. It just had to be you. It had to